Do you want to know what $450 gets you a month in the Philippines? Well, watch this video and find out. All right, a couple of things I should say before we start this video is I live on Panglao, and that is a tourist destination. A lot of people coming down here for the weekend, a few days off from wherever, Cebu, Manila, coming down here. So the prices are going to be a little bit higher. And where I'm at exactly is really close to the main tourist spot, which is Alona Beach. That's where all the hotels and restaurants and things like that are. So I'm about 2 kilometers from that. So the prices here are a little bit higher than if I moved to the other side of Panglao Island. So keep that in mind, that the prices are going to be a little bit elevated just for, like they say, location, 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 right? So anyway, let's start this video. This is front door, of course, that's a door. I think everybody can tell that. Right when you walk in, I'll give you a quick overview of the whole place. This is the whole living room, kitchen, dining room section. The whole place right here. Like I said, not big. It's a 1 bedroom, but I'm a single guy living here by myself, so what else do I need? All right, so you come in, like I said, front door. Got a full-size fridge, which is nice. A lot of apartments, they give you just a mini fridge. So that's nice. Get your bottled water here. That's nice. You got a little window here to get some light in here. That's nice. So your kitchen, all your dishes and stuff, and a hot plate. Well, not a hot plate, a gas stove. And one thing I didn't mention when I started this is all this stuff is included. This is a fully furnished apartment, so keep that in mind. All this stuff here, it all comes in with the unit, like all the plates, the silverware, the cutlery to do cooking, and all that stuff. So we went over the kitchen, the whole kitchen here, and now, like I said, the fancy dining room. That's it right there. The whole dining room. There you go. All right, now let's move on into the living room. TV. It's, what is that, a 32 inch or 40? I don't know how big that is. But like I said, everything's included. So they give you the TV. And let's go over here, the living room. This is a big fancy living room. That couch folds out into a bed, so you have people come over, extra friends, they got a place to sleep, just pull that out. Now into the bedroom. Like I said, this is a 1 bedroom. And here you go. This is a bed. You got a queen size bed. They give you a desk here. Got all my crap on there to do all my videos with, right? But nice size bed. And the bathroom, it's a 1 bathroom. Let's go check that out. It's a very, very big bathroom for the Philippines. I mean, you walk in, you got your sink, of course. Separate toilet and shower, which is nice. I mean, a lot of times you're taking a shower right next to the throne. So, got the rain head shower on there, which is very nice. And the best thing about living outside the U.S., a lot of places in the U.S. you don't have it. The bun gun, take care of that. Take care of business in the back. So that is basically the whole place. I mean, it's very nice. Everything's included, like I said. Everything you've seen, all the furniture, all the plates, dishes, and all that stuff, it comes with it, and not a bad price, $450 a month. Okay, now we're gonna go out to the area that really sold me on this place, is the big balcony. Let's go check it out. All right, you come out through the sliding doors and just look how big the balcony is. I mean, it's nice to come out here at nighttime and just sit here. Very big. And what sold me on this unit was, like I said, when you come out, this is what I see. That is nice. Nice view of the pool. Nice greenery, nice, just a whole nice area here. Yeah, I just like this apartment. It's very nice, and like I said, everything's included. It's totally furnished, all that. And it's $450 a month. Can't beat that. Now, it's $450, but I do pay separate electricity, and my electricity last month was $60 US, and water is not, water was like $2 or $3. So say altogether for this place I paid $510 US. Can't beat that, right? So if you want to come to the Philippines, you can find a nice place like this, or if you go away from the tourist areas a little more, it'll be even cheaper.